flood of people that you see on the other side, that is Bangladesh. 30 minutes 700, 45 minutes 1000. All the Instagram pictures are taken on this island. Now we are on island for a break. Clothes for bathing, handy. Of Meghalaya, very much sustainable, voted as the cleanest village. So we decided to have our lunch at this. Guys, this was Mawli Nong village. So locally Cherrapunji is known as. So now we are trying to give you an idea. These are the roads of Meghalaya. So guys, good morning. This is the day 5th of our journey and we are in Phnom Penh. This is the closest point to Davki and we are in this homestay that you see right beside me, and in front of us is this beautiful Unmong river. So up there is a restaurant or something basic if you want tea or coffee. Then here is the room, very simple basic room but with big wide beds. And one thing here is the toilets. This is toilet, this is bathroom, but they are private, so that is a luxury here if you are in a camping place. One more information for you: when you enter this village, this is the entry. Because it was night, so I was not able to shoot. So here on this counter you will find some people and you will have to pay 50 rupees per head entry to enter the village, which is held by, you know, the local tribes. They call themselves Defense Party, and there are rules like you know, timings and all when you should enter the village. So Betel Nut Resort is the only resort. In the village, rest are homestays, and then there are tent options by the river. This is the resort. And this is really surrounded by betel nut trees. All these trees that you see, they are betel nut trees. Supari ke ped. So guys, this is how the breakfast is served here. It contains chai and then there is other breakfast. Now we will open it up and see what is there. Maggi is there. This is sugar. Then there are for chai cups. and then there is toast. So this is breakfast for two with butter, and this is tea.
Dawai. Dawai, dawai, dawai.
So guys, if you're planning to come to Davki, which has the cleanest river in India, Umnong River, so this is the place where you will have to stay and spend an overnight here, and this is called Shnong Dang. So this is like 25 minutes drive from Davki, and there is only one resort here, which is called Betel Nut Resort. So which is, you know, of course it is quite expensive, and otherwise there are options like tenting is there. You can tent by the river, that I'm just going to show you, and otherwise there are homestays like the one where we stayed. So if you're coming with families, especially at night, it is quite cold, so it is recommended you stay in a homestay like this. So it is like 1500 per head, in which they give you a dinner and breakfast, and then they have a beautiful bonfire by the river in the night, so that keeps you warm. And we actually had our dinner also by Umnong River in the night, so which was quite an experience. And it is very wonderful and very hospitable staff. And also I would like to tell you, there are only a few options available here. It is not you know, very big village, so 3 or 4 homestays we saw in a row. So, and they go right away down to the river. I'll just give you a quick round. This was the room that we took here. This is the table that comes with that, and this fan that we never used because it is quite cold. And the territory is full of this betel nut trees and bamboo. And this is the beautiful Umnong River. And here you can see there are activities also. If during daytime, you can have this water sports, zip lining and everything, scuba diving, or I don't know what, snorkeling they do. And you can see the waters are crystal clear. So these are the tent options there, where mostly youngsters, you know, they spend the overnight there. We, near that hut that you see, just beside that we had campfire in the night. So that was quite a memorable experience. So if you are coming to Meghalaya and going to Cherrapunji from Davki, so this is the only place in the middle of nowhere. This is the only village where you will have to stay. And for entering this village also, you will have to pay 50 rupees per person entry fee. And this package, as I told you, it will be like 1500 per person. So that it will include everything, whatever I enumerated before. So now we are going to go to Davki and have our boating experience, for which Meghalaya is known. And even if you go to Meghalaya tourism site, everywhere you will see this Umnong River and the boats floating thereon. So that is quite an experience. We look forward to it. So here we have reached Davki. So this is the beautiful Umnong River. We are just going to cross it. Now we will boat on this river. So this is beautiful Davki, and there is a flood of people there. On the other side, I don't know what they are doing. And here is the price list. It is for 30 minutes 700, 45 minutes 1000, and 1200 is for 1 hour. And they give a stop in an island which is 20 minutes, and it says all the Instagram pictures are taken on this island. So we opted for 1200, right? So let's see how it works out. I explained about that flood of people that you see on the other side. That is Bangladesh, and today is Jummah, their Friday, so all the people are out holidaying. Bangladesh is on the other side, so this is the flood of people. That is Bangladesh on the other side.
What do you know?
So guys, we have just started off, and on the other side again I will show you very funny scene, this Bangladeshi flood. So as a special attraction, we were told you can go there and touch Bangladesh and come back. That is included in this package if any of you are interested.
Single.
Even you can see the fish clearly under the water, where they are going and where they are coming from. So guys, I will say this is one of those Instagrammable sites which is really as good as it looks on Instagram. It's not a fake something, so it's a real beauty, Davki. So it is worth all the effort that we took for coming here. So now we are on island for a break. So there is a 15-minute break here, and this is a good spot for taking photos. Oh, this is the ultimate pleasure.
So you slow mo karo ya fast. Get set go. हो गया इतना जल्दी.
So this is the fun. Oh man, it's crazy. These are the finest pleasures.
My skills.
Okay. Wow. Oh, it's so great. Oh. So this is a must visit. It's working, it's working, it's okay. This is a must visit place, guys. It is fully Instagram stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually I never seen this.
Hello.
How do you like it, Ellie?
बहुत दूर हो गया. अरे
Yes, please. Mira.
This is.
So this is the island where we took the break, and I will highly recommend you that whenever you come here, you take this 1200 package and you stop at this island so that you can enjoy yourself and keep your towels and for clothes for bathing handy. And guys, to finish this beautiful journey, we have reached Bangladesh. So this is all Bangladesh that you see. All these people, they are having very good picnic over this river and water sports also. So near the Indian border we will take the turn now. This rock that you see, over which some people with yellow shirt are standing, this is Bangladesh. So this is Bangladesh. See how they are enjoying this river. Indian side is almost empty. Today is Friday, so they are having good time because it is a holiday in Bangladesh. And you can see the difference between the Indian side and the Bangladeshi side, which is much more full of people. So just in time not to cross the border, we have turned back. And see how much they are chilling. They have even these tubes. He is giving Bangladeshi tickets. So these Bangladeshi products they are selling there on the other side even. While the Indian side is almost empty. And much more pristine and peaceful. So this is the beautiful boating station at Davki. You can see the boats floating in the air. So now from Davki we are going to Mawkeelong, that is considered the cleanest village of India. So Davki has this Umnong river, which is considered the cleanest river of India. And now we are going to the cleanest village of India. So Mawkeelong is just 1 hour away from Davki. And it goes through a scenic drive. You can see these high betel nut trees on sides. And then you have a feeling as if you are in the middle of heartland of Meghalaya. So this green and lonely roads, this is what you imagine. This is the picture of Meghalaya that you have in your mind. So this is border between India and Bangladesh. Very strong border they made. Very nicely depicted line. And it goes through all the contours of a mountain. So you can imagine and see how neatly it is made. And Trump wanted to build something like this between America and Mexico, which never came true. So salute to our bordermen, BSF, military forces, Border Roads Organization. Such a sturdy border they have made with Bangladesh. It is so beautiful, so clearly demarcated, and it goes through all contours. It's not easy to make and maintain. So here is beautiful Meghalaya on this side, full of betel nut trademark trees. Actually we are going just along the border from Davki to reach Mawkeelong. So near Mawkeelong there is a single route bridge. It is just 3 kilometers before Mawkeelong, where we are going down now. So this is the way, you have to go down this way to single route bridge. I am told it takes like 15 minutes. This area is very beautiful and way was most scenic. So on the way when you're getting down, this is the refreshment. It costs 10 rupees. Pieces of sweet pineapple. And these are kind of benches you can have along the way to rest. Bamboo benches and total naturally material. So this is the single route bridge. As you can see on the both sides, it is made of roots. And these are the roots. So this is some simple bridge that is closed now. And there is some water stream that is going under. So guys, those who like us come with families and they are not able to make it to double-decker bridge, which takes like a full day of trekking and coming down and leaves you so much exhausted, you can very well come to Mawke Long, and just on the way 3 kilometers before there is this single route bridge. It involves only 200 to 300 meters of walking down and up, and then you can watch this beauty. So this is the local craftsmanship classic of Meghalaya. Very, very much sustainable.
No. Come.
So this is the parking lot, and we have reached Mawle Nong village. This was voted as the cleanest village in Asia. Let's check out how it looks. So guys, entry fees to this village is 100 rupees, and this they say they are using towards village maintenance. Lot of homestays are here, and they were on the route also. Lot of homestays here. So just one small recommendation in case you really want to relax for 3-4 days in Meghalaya. The stretch between Davki and Mawle Nong has a lot of homestays. Really, the best homestays I saw here. And they are very much laid back. There is no traffic.
Это церковь.
So it looks like a European city. You can't believe that this is India. It is so nicely organized. So clean. It has to be one of the finest villages in the world, not only in Asia, I feel. Children are very happy, they are playing around. And there is no traffic because at the beginning there is a parking where you put your vehicles. Very good homestays here. It is 2:30, so we decided to have our lunch at this place. And mostly there is thali system. So in 200 they give non-veg thali and 120 is vegetarian thali. So this is their non-vegetarian thali, and this is all over. You will see this kind of lemon, which is some home variety. And this is their chutney that they make. Then there is bhindi, then aloo gobi, rice, and this is chicken and dal, and a lot of chilies. Chicken looks very promising. And these are the beautiful open views. So this was the 5th day of our journey in Assam and Meghalaya, and today I must say we had the most delicious lunch. It was 200 rupees per person, but it was wonderful and very fulfilling, very tasty. It is difficult to believe how that such a clean village can exist in our country. It is the most beautiful experience, and at the peak of summer you will see such villages in Europe.
Привет, курица. Там еще найдутся.
So guys, this was Mawli Nong village. It's really worth visit. This is the parking lot. We will just catch our car and we are going to Sohra. So locally Cherrapunji is known as Sohra. So we are going to Cherrapunji now and we are going to spend the night there. It is like 4 and sun usually sets very fast here. So at 5 it will be dark already. And it is 4 PM. Now we are going to Sohra. So now we are driving to Sohra. It is 3 hours away from Mawli Nong. And just to give you an idea, these are the roads of Meghalaya. Sun is just setting. Very beautiful. Driving here is a pleasure.